What it do, peoples? It's your boy Cheatcode, coming to you live on Cheatcode TV today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually make clips straight from your phone while you're at the dinner table so your mama don't get mad at you. You can tell her you're working. All right, check me out. Here we go. All right, so there's three things that you're actually going to need. Three things. Go ahead and download Firefox from the App Store or the Play Store. Do that now. That way, when we're done with the video, you're good to go, because you're going to need that. The second thing we're going to use inside of Firefox is Clipr, because that's actually going to take the clip and allow you to download the video. So that way you can save it to your phone. Then the third thing you're going to need, which is where all of the magic is made, is inshot. It's called inshot. That's one word, inshot. Now, these three apps, or should I say two apps in this one website, is going to help you make your clips straight on your phone. So if you got a quick 5 minutes, let me show you on this video I made. Excuse the French, but here we go. Bam. All right. So as I said, you of course have these Twitch highlights. Now, I like to make highlights just because you can watch it all the way through, kind of just chop it as you're going through on Twitch. If you have a web browser, it's way easier. But if not, you can just make the clips yourself. So I'm going to show you how I do it from my highlight. I'm going to use one of my favorite highlights. It's the Revive Pump Fake. And there it is. What you want to first do is hit that clip button that you all know and love at the top. And you want to copy the link because you're making the actual clip from your highlight. If you already have the clip, you'll just open it. You just need the link from your clip. You're then going to back out and go to your Mozilla Firefox. We want to pull up that web browser that I've been telling you about and open up Clipr. clipr.xyz. And as soon as you open it, just paste in that link that you just shared to yourself. Now, here's the key. When you hit the click to download button, you want to hold down on it because you can swipe away the video and it pulls up this menu. Then you want to hit download link. Then you want to hit download now. Then you want to open up your downloads. And I mean, this just makes it too much easier right here. I've done this 3 times just to show you guys. So it's the top one. You click the top one, you hit save video, and boom. Now you have your actual clip saved on your phone. So if you want to share it straight to Instagram, you can. But I'm going to show you guys right here. It's right in my photos with the audio, everything. So this just makes it to where you can instantly share it. If you don't want to add anything to it, by golly, go ahead, share it. But me, I like to go into InShot and actually add some effects, some appeal to it, you know, to draw in those viewers, because everyone can make clips. What is so custom about yours that's going to make me want to watch? So, of course, I do my signature. I add in my photo at the front and the end just so Instagram knows that's my still image. It looks kind of custom on your actual Instagram page. So as you saw, I selected the video. I got my photo. I'm going to shrink it a little bit, make it a quick little second because it didn't even have to be that long. And then it goes, as you can see, all these controls are right into the app. So I just duplicated that photo, dragged it straight to the end. Now I have it at the front and end. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so that way it's not that long, because you only need it like a half a second. Now, the first time, I like to actually watch it and run through it just to make sure it's the one that I want to use. So as you can see, I'm listening to it. I'm playing it back for myself. I want to get a feel of what I want my viewer to see. Excuse the French. I warned you. I told you. I picked the wrong clip to do this video, man. I swear I did, but it's too late. I ain't going back. So anyways, there it is. You played it through. You're good. Now here's where the bread and butter comes in. You can add text by just tapping the text app, and you can go ahead and mess with this text. It could zoom in, zoom out. It could flicker in. It could shake. It could do all these things with the effects button, but I'm just going to show you how I add words and how easy this is for you guys to add effects to your videos. So as you can see, bam, it jumps straight in the wait for it. I'm gonna pause it again because I know this is my slogan, and the highlight of this is you can add the text as you're going along. It's gonna make multiple tracks, so you can add, I think, up to 5 texts at one time, stickers, GIFs, whatever you want. You can put it inside of there, trust me, if it's on your keyboard. As you can see, here's another spot scene, the pump fake. So I'm going to put that for my viewers to see. Here it comes. Gotcha. Oh, wait, see, and that's what I need to add right there. I kind of add the reactions that I would, you know, say, but not say because I don't want to do voiceovers. So this is a lot easier for you to add emojis. As you can see, my emojis, I shrunk it and made it only pop up for a second. It's gone. And now this is the perfect text clip with all these bad words that I shouldn't have used, but it's okay. It's all right. So anyways, next is the music. They actually give you a plethora of music to choose from for free, but you can go into iTunes and all that. I'm not going to get into copyrights, but if you pick their music, you can use it, and Instagram won't delete your video. So I just picked the first track that was there. I'm going to run it back. As you can see, it has the 2-track split, so I can get a good feel of how this music is going to sound to my viewers. Now, one huge tip I'll give you is that most people don't like to listen to nothing that doesn't thump, so I'm kind of realizing that here right now. And the beat drops in, so I'm like, all right, you know what I need to do? I need to go back and make the beat drop as soon as it starts. So you can actually split the music. So if you like to make special parts of music in your clip, you can do that. That's where InShot takes over, because you can actually do the editing right on your phone. You don't have to run over to a computer, download the music file. If the song's in your iTunes, you got it. If you got an Android, oh my God, you should know how to find some free music, bro. It's 2020. So anyways, I'm not supporting that, all that copyright stuff. But again, if you choose from the list that they give you, it's free. Another cool thing is you can choose the canvas size, so it automatically shapes it to what you need to export to. If it's Instagram, YouTube, it doesn't make a difference, but you saw that canvas. I picked Instagram. It makes it fit perfectly for my viewers to see it while that video is playing. Then you, of course, click that save button, and then boom, it pulls open the list for you to share it to whatever you want. I choose Instagram. It then asks me if I want to do either my story or my feed, but as you can see straight on the screen, it took that YouTube video. It didn't stretch it. It didn't make it look deformed, as I like to say, because I hate when people do that. As you can see, you can hear the music. It has the words in it. If I didn't like it, I could cancel this, go back and re-edit it some more, but this is just the easiest way for you guys to get all of your Twitch, YouTube, anything that you use pretty much highlighted straight on your phone, because you're going to use Firefox to go to Clipper and download your clip. So make sure you got your highlights ready. Take your time to watch yourself, highlight it or clip it. Take that clip link, go straight over to clipr, clipr.xyz. Download, and of course hold down that button so that you save the file to your downloads. Then you, of course, save it to your phone. You load it to InShot, and the rest is history, man. This is just so easy. It's why these new streamers are coming out with new videos almost every day. So I, of course, wanted to just make a quick video because the homie asked me. He was like, yo, Cheatcode, can you clip this video for me? I was like, bruh, I love you, but this is too easy that I have to show you. So thank you for inspiring me to make tutorials, brother. Here you go. My first one. 3 things: Firefox, Clipper, and InShot, man. Those will make your Twitch highlights, YouTube videos, whatever you're trying to do. You probably can make music videos in there if you wanted to. But yeah, it's your boy Cheatcode. If you got any questions about this, man, hit me up, cheatcodetv.com. You can check me out on Twitch. Check me out on Instagram, Twitter, anywhere. You name it. It's Cheatcode TV. It's on me. All right? Appreciate y'all. Check y'all later.